Click on Once in AirDrop. Connect wallet. Then click on Townkeeper. Then connect wallet. Enter your passcode. Go back to your hamster combo. Then click on Set a default withdrawal option. Success. That's enough. Go back and click on AirDrop. When you see a check mark, it means the connection is complete. Thank you.